Belly dancing, once thought of as nothing more than an ancient art, has recently exploded in popularity in both dance and fitness industries. Young girls in Bengaluru too are hopping onto this graceful form of dance and are doing it as well as Shakira herself. Take a look.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on.
Maybe it was pop singer Shakira showing off her belly dancing hip shakes during her concerts, or maybe it was the appearance of Bollywood-style dance numbers that inculcated belly dancing in various competitions and television shows. Regardless of what kicked off this modern renewal of belly dancing, hip chimes and abdominal undulations are here to stay.
Actually, we have a lot of students and a lot of belly dancing lovers. And so we started to popularizing this art form as kind of art and kind of feminine community. So we started these parties from almost like 2-3 years ago. And it's become more popular now in Bangalore. All the students and the dance lovers are coming usually. We always have kind of my student performance, it is a casual performance. And the good thing is it's only for women, so they are more comfortable to attend a party and enjoy.
Not only is belly dancing fun to watch, but it's just as fun to perform. Unlike many other forms of dance which are comprised of a strict sequence of moves with each individual movement performed in precision, belly dancing has no defined rights and wrongs. Each woman is encouraged to be limp and flexible to the music to find her own way and adopt her own style. This freedom makes belly dancing a very appealing form of dance, especially for those new to dance.
It's awesome. Dancing has always been my passion, and belly dancing, Sana's ma'am is just number one of the town, I must say. I mean, I've reduced a lot of my fat, so I'm very happy.
Itself, I mean, the belly dance itself is a sexy dance, and it's a great way to, to be keep yourself healthy.
It's a pretty nice experience to learn it. I mean, we all of us have some dance background or the other, but this is a total new dance form as such.
Belly dancing for me is just another way to release myself. So it's a great way of dancing. It helps you keep in shape.
A woman belly dances first of all for herself, to awaken her creativity, to reveal her inner potential, to celebrate her body and to express her emotions. Belly dancing is a kind of active meditation which focuses and centers the mind, releases stress from the body. It creates balance, harmony, physical energy and psychological empowerment in the dancer. Now this is what the exponents claim.
I want to talk about the fitness and art form. I would like to say you will find inner beauty, because belly dancing comes from the women's body. It's started by the women and it's very naturally coming. Sometimes I just help my students to find the movement in their bodies already there. So I just try to help them to find that feminine part that's very powerful for inner side and enjoy of being a woman and enjoy of their body, whatever they are, whatever your size. I think that's the first thing. And of course, there are many benefits of health and, well-being and all, they're all there.
In most belly dance styles, the focus is on the hip and the pelvic area. Most of the movements involve isolating different parts of the body, hips, shoulders, chest, stomach, etc. Correct posture and muscle control is as important in belly dance as it is in other fields of dance. Belly dancing allows women to express their creativity, get in touch with their femininity, reduce stress and get a serious workout all at the same time. Well, belly dancing is not just shaking bellies. Nabila, News 9, Bengaluru.